Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK and tap on Close in Wait pop-up at the top. Finally, you can click on Send at the bottom left corner of Lenovo and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Lenovo, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. Then select your files. When you are finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom of Lenovo and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now you need to decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input key section and copy all of those numbers. Last but not least, click on Receive button to connect. If you see this kind of location pop-up, choose only this time or while using the app. If you see this problem, you need to try again. I will scan the QR code this time. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!